Remember the story of David and Goliath? Small, nimble David took down the giant Goliath. Today, a similar story unfolds. Small engineering firms armed with AI are challenging industry giants. It's a classic underdog story, powered by technology. For years, big corporations dominated engineering. They had resources, manpower, and reach. Small firms struggled to compete. But AI is a game changer. It's like giving David a slingshot with laser-guided accuracy. Suddenly, size doesn't matter as much. AI empowers small firms to punch above their weight. They can analyze data faster, automate tasks, and make smarter decisions. This levels the playing field, creating exciting opportunities for those who were once overshadowed. The old rules are being rewritten. The future belongs to those who can adapt and innovate. And right now, small engineering firms are leading the charge. Large corporations are often slow-moving giants. Bureaucracy and complex hierarchies hinder their speed. Small firms, in contrast, are nimble and adaptable. They can make decisions quickly and pivot when needed. This agility is crucial in the age of AI. The technology is constantly evolving, requiring firms to stay ahead of the curve. Small firms can experiment with new AI tools and strategies without the fear of disrupting massive operations. Imagine a small firm using AI to optimize a bridge design. They can test multiple scenarios, get instant feedback, and refine their approach rapidly. A larger firm might get bogged down in approvals and internal processes. This speed and flexibility gives small firms a significant edge. They can respond to market changes faster, tailor solutions to specific client needs, and seize new opportunities as they arise. The giants are starting to notice. Small engineering firms are using AI in incredibly creative ways. They're not just catching up to larger companies, they're pioneering new applications. This innovative spirit is a key advantage. Take, for instance, a small firm specializing in renewable energy. They might use AI to analyze weather patterns and optimize solar panel placement. Or consider a firm focused on sustainable construction. They could leverage AI to design buildings that minimize waste and energy consumption. These are just a few examples of the countless ways small firms are using